We are no strangers to carrying responsibility. But there are those who carry the biggest ones. Those who carry the responsibility of saving lives. Carry education into students' homes. Carry our basic needs to market shelves. Carry the weight of safety on their shoulders. And carry groceries to their neighbours. And those drivers and logistics workers who work day and night away from their loved ones to carry their loads across the country and the world. We thank you for keeping our lives moving in these difficult times, sharing the responsibility, sharing the load.